Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing credentials and picking the right app. Open Outlook now, desktop or Outlook. Live, then choose File or Settings to access accounts. Enter the email address to change. Since Outlook shows associated profiles, this prevents creating duplicate accounts. If you use 2FA, have your phone or Authenticator app ready because verification will interrupt the flow. Once done, Outlook displays account details so you can edit server settings, sync options, or remove the account entirely. Make sure to proceed step by step. Next, you edit the account itself. Go to Account Settings and select Change to update incoming/outgoing servers, ports, and encryption. This matters because wrong ports block mail. If you need Exchange or Office 365, choose Exchange and use Auto Discover where available to simplify setup. For manual setup, pick a map for multi-device sync or POP for single-device download. Set SSL/TLS and correct port numbers. Once you enter new details, hit Next or Test Account Setting. To finish, test send and receive and verify folders and calendar sync. If everything works, close settings and allow full sync. Large mailboxes may take time. Remove old or duplicate profiles after exporting any needed. PSD or OST files to avoid data loss. If you encounter errors, clear cached credentials in Windows Credential Manager or sign out of Microsoft accounts, then retry the setup. This resolves most auth and token issues. If problems persist, note the exact error code before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.